welcome to my channel. Miso Woman.
Animal Crossing, one of, if not the most cozy game I can think of. Now, you may be wondering, why have I brought up such a cozy game? Well, it's to talk about it. He's my favorite resident. Because he's cute, underrated, and awesome. Here's a clip. Tell me if you can see the Hugh. He won't be here. He's gonna... Can you spot him? Not home. It's right there. He's eating his yummy sandwich. Nom nom. He's so cute, he's so cute. Tangy's cool too. Thanks for watching. I didn't post for a while. It took me a long time to figure out how to record on a Switch.